Hi, it's Anna with WTI with this steering wheel by PXN. This is a V3. My sons love racing games and this takes them to another level. So some of the things that they love about it is how easy it is to set up. There's 3 cords. They go from the steering wheel to the Xbox controller, the steering wheel to the pedals, and the steering wheel to the Xbox itself. So 3 cords and you're completely set up. My son also likes this mat that can fold out or fold under the pedals. He says it makes using the pedals easier. They also said that the buttons are in the same places as the remote, so it's really easy to switch back and forth between the two. It did take them a little bit to get adjusted to the sensitivity level from switching to a remote to the steering wheel, but now that they have, they really enjoy the steering wheel a lot more. The steering wheel has suction cups on the bottom so it stays on the table and in place when they're using it. They mainly use it for their games on their Xbox Series X, but it's also compatible with their Nintendo Switch and PlayStations if you have those. It also can be attached to a stand if you have one of those, so that it has a lot of versatility. So if you are a gamer or you have a gamer in your family, the steering wheel by PXN will take every racing game to another level, a whole new experience for you. You will not regret it. But that's just our point of view.